Chime transfers usually fail when you've hit an internal sending limit, or the system flags the transaction for review, even when your available balance still looks like it should cover the payment. By the end, you'll know what triggers the transfer limit reached message, and exactly what to change so your next transfer goes through. One common reason is that Chime applies internal transfer rules that cap how much money can move out of your account through different transfer types. These rules can apply separately to instant transfers, bank transfers, and external account sends, so one type can fail while another still works. Another cause is the receiving bank rejecting the transfer, which makes it look like a limit issue, even though the problem is on the destination side. Pending transfers or holds can also reduce the amount of money that is actually available to send, even if your balance screen shows a higher number. Once the system decides a transfer is outside normal patterns, it often shifts into a security check instead of a normal processing flow. That security check can trigger when you log in from a new device, switch locations, or try multiple transfers in a short period of time. It can also happen when your account details don't fully match verification records, which blocks outgoing transfers until everything is confirmed. In some cases, repeated failed attempts cause the app to temporarily slow or block additional transfers to prevent fraud patterns. Start by opening the Chime app and checking your transfer history to see if anything is marked pending or failed. If a transfer is stuck, cancel it and try resending it using a different transfer method inside the app. Make sure your account is fully verified and that your personal details match exactly across your bank and transfer settings. If nothing changes, avoid repeated retries, and instead let the system clear the security flag before attempting again. If the issue continues, use in-app support so they can check whether your account is under a temporary transfer restriction. Most transfer limit reached messages come from internal sending rules, security checks, or rejected transfers from the receiving bank. The fastest fix is checking pending activity, switching transfer methods, and confirming your account details are fully verified. If the transfer still fails after that, support has to clear the restriction before anything will go through again. Like and subscribe for more clear fixes for common banking errors.